Hi and welcome to issue 9 of Build Your Own 3D Printer. Well, this week it's something a little bit exciting because I've actually got a power supply. And last week there's that, which is the I can't remember what that bit is, but that fixes into there, which is the that's the that's for this bit here, because that bit fixes into there, or that bit there. So then in issue 10 will be the Y-axis motor and the timing belt, which will go in that little hole there. So it's starting to coming together now. I've actually got a motor. Okay, important for safety reasons, use only the AC power adapter supplied with this series. Do not use any other power adapter. Okay, so this has especially been designed for this one. So that's that. So starting. Don't think I'm going to put it together just yet. I think next week when I've got the motor, and that's when all these three, there'll be 4 bits, 1, 2, 3 plus the motor will go to fit together. And this is the magazine here. Again, there's a web access code. The early years of 3D printing. Now more than 3 decades old, 3-dimensional printing has been described as a new industrial revolution, but who invented it, and more important, why? 3D printer, you can produce a prototype within days rather than months. Godfather. 32 years on, Chuck Holt remains the forefront of 3D printing, 3D design and printing. Thinking inside the box, the measurements box. Move on up. I had to build a fence by the looks of it. This is like turning the table. Looks like how to build a table. Getting the most from revolutions. Later are a 3D printer fundamental building blocks. Jargon pasta, pass, revolution slice. This is what it said on the website. It says, your parts important, do not connect the AC power adapter to the motor tester board until you have completed the assembly instructions in issue 10. So that's why I'm going to keep it like that till next week. What they should have done was had the motor tester board in issue 9 and then done the power supply in 10. With this issue you receive an AC power adapter. Please keep this safe until you receive further parts with issue 10. The AC power adapter converts your 100 to 240 volts alternative current AC mains electricity supplied into the 24 volts direct current DC required to power the motor, tester board and Y-axis motor. You receive a high-grade electric motor in the next issue of 3D Create and Print, and you will then be able to set your print into action for the first time. You see the position of the Y-axis component highlighted on the red in the print image above right. So that bit is that bit. So this is starting getting excited. And then Loch Ness Monster, a money clip, a coffee coaster, a simple vase, hexagon box part 1, make your layers work for you. We know that layers form an important part of 3D printing. We can get away from them, so how can we make them better use of them? Did you know that your V3 minimum layer thickness is an impressive 100 microns, 0.1mm, but it can't compete with professional printers such as Stratasys Object 1000 PolyJet 3D printer, which boasts a layer of thickness of 16 microns. So that's it. Not much to do this, but this is getting, as I said, the Y-axis motor and the timing belt gear. So it looks like that must fit into one of them things then. So this is starting getting exciting. So I'll keep all these bits safe for another week, but there's going to be a bit of a big build next week, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.